I didn't put a password in anything. I don't know if that matters.
I don't know.
Oh, I forgot. What is this? Oh, no. I think I want this one still. Oh, I forgot you played longer than I did.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm ready.
Let's see. I can't remember. I liked this guy, but I remember something wrong with him. Are we doing the easiest difficulty, or are we gonna do the monsoon or rainstorm? Rainstorm.
We'll do the rainstorm. Because I remember this game's not that hard. Alright, I'm ready.
Okay. Ready. See how I can do with the samurai.
It's been so long. I think it's...
It's like we're trying it again.
Oh, E to escape pod. Okay.
Okay. Ooh, whoops.
What is that thing? Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's just like a boost. What is this?
Ooh.
Fine.
So that's my homing attack. Yeah.
Using a shrine summons enemies nearby. Ah!
Hmm?
No shooting at me, you. This guy has a fireball.
You know what? At least you don't have a sword. The only thing that you can hit people with is swords. So these guys that are all like, I gotta like dodge my way out of everything.
Well, that's why I didn't go
Whoop.
with the sword.
How?
Ow.
I got him. Okay, I'm winning.
Oh, those things are scary. What the fuck are those things? Oh, no, I don't like that at all. Ow! Stop it.
Need a pod to open so I can get some loot.
I found one. I have
Oh
little
god, these guys.
fireball demon things shooting fireballs at me.
Yeah, I'm gonna have trouble with these guys.
Yeah, I'm right here behind you. There's one over here, honey. Oh, it's $34. I don't know if you can.
I think I have that. 124, yeah. Gimme. Ooh, gain massive armor for 5 seconds. I think Vincent's yelling.
Well, if you need something, you can come here. Yes, Vincent.
Can I please have a straw?
It'll be a second. We're kind of in the middle of stuff here, buddy.
There's stuff around you?
Can't leave your bowl alone. The dogs will get into it. Oh, R is rapid fire. I'm like keep hitting R to like reload.
Oh, that's what that does.
Yeah, shift as a dash. For a... Got behind you.
Dang. What's this? Ooh, I can sprint
Ow.
faster now. Yay.
Ah. Are they just like never ending or?
Yeah, that's how this game works. You literally keep fighting until the end. You gotta find the teleporter, and then once you find the teleporter, you, Oh, you got something, honey.
I did. Oh, actually.
Yeah.
I have
Like-
the thingy.
Ow.
That summons creatures.
Oh, it's that move! Forgot how cool that move was. Ow.
Okay. God, I gotta stop getting into the habit of hitting R to do anything.
Okay, what do I get? What do I get? What do I get? I got something. Killing enemy permanently increases your health up to 100. Nice. Ooh, okay. I haven't been very smart about this character because I forgot how to use him.
Oh, cool. I got Dio's best friend. I can cheat death now.
Nice.
Ah, man. What's this thingy? Oh, I found the teleporter.
Okay. I'm just fighting enemies, it's fine.
I'm coming, I'm coming. I got the one that's
Yeah.
floating in the air. I'll shoot the flying enemies while you take care of the ground enemies.
Yeah. Yeah, right now I'm not gonna be able to do much. Ah,
Okay, I got the
except for when I can do that. I love that dash ability, it's so cool.
Alright, so the teleporter's over here.
Oh, we are not equipped for this, but... Oh, actually,
well,
what's
it's
over
easy
here?
mode right now, honey.
That's true. There's some stuff over here, though. I'd like to at least get something.
You got more than I do. All I can do is cheat death once.
Ooh, lens marker. Chance to critically strike, dealing double damage. Well, there's some chests over here. I'm sure you have money.
Well, we're
Oh,
getting
great.
attacked right now, so I can't really...
Working on it. These flying enemies are going to be hard for me to get to.
I'm going to go check out this chest to the left.
Okay. I'm just going to keep running. I can't deal with flying enemies very well.
Chance to critically strike, dealing double damage. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
There is a chest
Oh, no.
over here too.
Yeah, there's a couple chests over here, I think.
I'll take this one up here then, since you're down there.
Oh, I got a healer drone.
Yay, that's a good thing.
Exactly. Oh, you must have dropped over here. That's what I saw.
I'm at the top.
Oh, that's not what I wanted to do.
Fresh meat, regenerate health after killing an enemy. Okay, well that's good. You got a healer drone, I got fresh meat, so golden.
Yay.
We
We're gonna
got
be
this.
Ow. What's this? Adrenaline. Increases attack speed. Ooh, I like that. I'm gonna need that.
We're gonna get into medium difficulty here pretty soon, honey.
I know. That's why I'm gonna head over to you as soon as I do this. I just need to make sure I can make jumps so I don't kill myself.
What? That's a thing? Wait, there's one more chest. I'm gonna go for it really quick.
Go ahead.
I'm getting
Did my
fireballs
healer
thrown
drone
at
die?
me.
Nope, there's my healer drone. Nice.
Fireballs are being thrown at me.
Wow.
That just gave me experience.
You don't get experience in this game, honey.
Well, whatever, it gave me something. Well, I'm level 8. Are you sure you don't get experience?
Oh, maybe you do get experience. I don't know. I didn't think you got experience in this game.
Well, apparently it says fuck you, you do.
Well then.
Is there a chest up there?
Why am I the one that doesn't get anything? Yeah, it's something up there. I don't know what it is.
How do you climb hills? I want up.
Oh, here we go.
It's a rock?
Fight me.
Oh, I donated
Fight me, demon.
something. Alright, let's go start this craziness.
Okay. I mean, we do have some guys here too, so.
I'm helping.
Ah!
Oh, is that what that did? Oh, you're really good.
Yeah, they explode. Oh boy. Yeah, let's just go.
We're always gonna have enemies coming.
Head
at
to the
us.
teleporter! Yeah, look at that speed. Look at those dashes.
I'm busy helping us from behind. Your healer drone's getting left in the dust.
It's fine. It's fine.
Let's go do crazy shit. Yeah. Ah, don't hit me. Ow, 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 ow. Roll, roll, roll. Ow. The heck? No. God damn it. I do not want sticky keys. Can you not do this while I'm in the midst of things? Oh, it's because I hit shift so many times.
For what?
Sticky keys just asked me if I wanted to turn them on.
That's a lot of damage.
Yeah, if you get hit by that, it's pretty brutal.
Okay. I'm so dead. I cannot do enough damage.
I'm so dead too. Ah, there's so much happening. Ah.
Yeah, I died.
I'm trying not to die, but there's like... Ow, yeah, there you go. I died. Oh no! What? Oh yeah, I cheated
Yeah,
death.
you got the chance to cheat death. Way to go.
I was just... It was just for like a second. I was fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I got this. God, there's
Mouse
so
2
much...
did something else as well.
Okay, well that's good to know.
And then the R.
R's rapid.
Yep. It still does a lot of damage. You might actually win.
Maybe.
Maybe.
I kill a couple
Just gotta-
enemies, I'll
yeah.
kill.
Just use some of your abilities. At least my healing drone's trying to help.
Well, if I kill some stuff, I get healing, so...
I know, but my healing drone's trying to keep up with you.
I'm just trying to avoid dying. No, 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 no. If I get hit by that, I'm doomed. Ah.
You weren't using your mouse 2 enough. You can use that pretty much like every other second. You'd be fine.
Alright, I gotta go get Vincent a straw and say no to sticky keys. Okay. You gonna try the archer this time?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me a second. Righty. I'm gonna want food after this game.
They'll give you enough content.
It does. I have at least 20 minutes of content, so.
Yeah.
You're like, I want to be done.
Oh yeah, that's right. I gotta exit. I forgot I can do that. And I don't even have to aim. That's the best part.
Well, at least they put us together this time.
Oh, I forgot. This guy is not tanky at all.
They have stuff you can buy. I just has no money. Hello there, Mr. Golem.
Oh, okay. Well, I just fell to my death, so, you know, that's fun.
Well, at least you're not dead yet.
No, I just got really close.
Oh, another one. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab this chest over here.
That's fine.
I got Wake of Vultures. Temporary steal the power of slain enemies.
Interesting.
Yeah. It's one of my favorites. I love this character.
Well, I'm glad that you're enjoying the character. I'm taking
I love
this.
Hunter.
Oh, it's a turret.
Oh yeah, you probably shouldn't have activated that.
I did.
I think it just sits where it's at. It doesn't go anywhere.
Yeah, but
Uh,
it's still gonna make us money.
that's true.
What'd I get?
Oh,
What'd
hey, I got.
What'd Yay! Get
Oh,
massive
hey,
armor for 5
I got a gunner drone. Help us kill things.
That's good. I like it when we get like 6 drones.
Right? 2 of them are healing and 3 of them are firing.
Those are always nice to have that many. Look. Do you have $55?
No, I got 22.
Oh, do we share
I found the
money?
teleporter.
I think we share money. There's a chest here for 55.
No, we don't. We don't share.
How much do you
Unless
have? How much do you have right now?
22.
Oh, okay. Then we don't share.
Then we don't.
Yeah, because I have 30. I'm gonna have 55 actually here pretty soon.
Well, I'm also getting at 40. I got like 40 something now, but.
I'm gonna buy this chest.
Okay.
Oh, it's a drone. Cool.
Yeah, 55 is usually going to be your drones.
Well, I got another drone.
Yay.
More drones.
Oh, hello guys.
Well, this turret that's over here, there's a turret just like right here that we can activate.
Yeah, I'm not going to activate it. I'm going to buy this. What do I get? What do I get? What do I get? Ooh, dealing damage heals you. Oh, yes, please.
That's just cool. Let me get the cool one. I'm gonna see what I get from the shrine. You are embraced by the healing warmth of the woods.
You basically activated the shrine to give you healing for a period of time.
Well, that was nice of it. Alright, I need to earn a little bit more money so I can activate the turret over here.
Okay.
I need 18 more coins.
Do you want to actually activate that?
Yeah, for the battle that we're just about to have? Yes, I do.
I was going to go explore for a little bit more.
Okay, if you want, we can explore.
Ooh, I got a chance to stun on hit.
Oh, that's good.
And with something like this, rapid fire attacks, I almost guarantee a stun. Cheap but amazing. It's exactly what I need for this character.
Okay, I'm gonna go activate the turret so I don't forget when we come back.
Hey now. I don't appreciate that.
Okay, at least we have... Oh, what?
You want to just do that now?
Hold on.
Just activate the teleporter and then we can... Well, we can always, if we beat the boss, we can always, like, look around. We don't
That's
have
true.
to leave immediately.
Alright, there was 2 turrets and I activated both of them, so...
Yay. Oh, it's a wanderling vagrant. Oh, that hurts a lot. Hello. Man. I'm gonna keep getting hit by that, I guess.
Well, this one's going down a lot faster than the other one was.
Yeah, I think it's because we're right at the middle time, too. Like, we're in the middle of easy.
Ah, that's that. I don't know what that is. I
Ooh,
don't know what
that
that
looks
is. I don't know what that
painful.
is. Ow. That was not cool.
Did you die?
No, but it took a good chunk of my health.
That's okay. We're doing it. We're winning. We got it.
This time we were winning.
This time we're gonna win.
I got a death mark. Enemies with 4 or more debuffs are marked for death, taking bonus damage. Interesting.
Nice. Oh, enter the teleporter.
Oh,
70%.
there's another one of those there, honey, if you want it.
What?
The get mark death.
Oh yeah, because it's both of us that get it.
Yeah, so if you want it.
Once you kill one of them, you get
chest
they drop a special thing for you.
You get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, I'll take the energy drink. Sprint faster! Should be able to get yours too. Oh, you just have to use it. You could print an
What?
energy drink, honey.
I tried, but it didn't work. I was gonna see if there's any more like things lying
Here you go,
around that
honey.
we can grab.
Come back.
What?
I printed it for you.
Oh. You sure you didn't get one?
I got one already.
Okay. I mean, granted, I only sprint faster, so it's not a big thing for me, but... Yeah, let's just go to the next one then,
Okay.
I guess.
I'm okay with whatever.
Hopefully I didn't just steal all the experience and you got some too.
I
Because that
think-
put me up to level 7.
I think we share. Yeah, I'm level 7 as well.
I would hope so, because I mean that's not really fair.
I don't think we have to wait too much.
Oh, hey, the actual turret that sits on the ground. We have one. It's fighting something right now.
We have 2.
It's kind of cool. I didn't know they actually teleported with us. I thought they stayed on the ground. I know your money goes away, and I thought the like random turrets that are like stuck to the ground don't teleport with you, but apparently they do.
Oh, that's kind of cool. Good to know.
Maybe? Maybe they changed that, because I know last in the last
Well,
time we
they've
played this.
Done quite a few changes to the game, which doesn't surprise me. Ooh, I found a chest.
Trying to go somewhere
Oh, you
to
did
find
find a
out.
chest.
Yeah, I saw a chest that was like $70, but I was like,
Oh,
don't have the
well,
funds
the
for
one
that.
that's 75, killing enemies sets nearby enemies on fire.
there you go, nice.
That's what that one
I
was.
figured it was expensive for a reason. I just didn't have the money for it.
Oh, there's one that's 121. Holy cow.
I got a money for that.
It's down here.
I got some chests over here. I'll go ahead and do that.
I have to get up to the 120. Oh, I just need to kill one more thing, apparently.
What is this? Ooh,
More enemies.
what am I
please.
3D printing? Ooh, I got a topaz brooch. Gain a temporary barrier on kill. Oh, I found teleporter. I'm doing pretty good at that this time.
Oh, there.
Heck yeah, I love that. Oh, it's amazing.
Okay, now I can get this.
Ooh, infusion, killing an enemy
It was
permanent.
a healing
What's up?
drone. The 121 was a healing drone.
Nice.
So I got a healing drone, too.
And regenerate health after killing an enemy. Fresh meat.
That one's a good one to have, too.
Huh?
Alright, I'm gonna come to you now.
Okay.
I just wanted
I'm
to get
just
that.
killing
I just
stuff.
wanted to get that $121 item, which was a good thing because it's a healing drone. So hey.
What's this 91? Ooh. Oh, deal extra damage to bosses. All right. Let's go.
Wow, you had a lot to get over here. Holy cow.
I spotted another turret so it can help us.
Okay. I'm shooting at our drone like a dumbass. There's an enemy floating above our head. I kill, right? I kill.
It's
do
shooting a green
nothing.
beam that's making me feel better. What do I do?
I shoot at it and it don't die. What's happening?
Ooh, gain a recharging shield. Thank you. Do you want a chest? I've been getting a lot of chests recently,
Oh no
so.
no no no! I wanted the gasoline. Oh man.
Oh, I didn't want to get rid of that one, but okay. What's
Well,
this?
that was
Death
dumb.
mark.
Well,
What?
now I have the topaz thing. I didn't know I was gonna get rid of my gasoline thing.
Yeah, it gives up one thing that you get, and
Oh, that makes me so sad. I want my gasoline thing back.
Sommerang, throw a fan of buzzing saws that come back at you. That's my ultimate now? Oh my god. Oh, that's so cool.
I guess the barrier's cool too. I'm just bummed.
Yeah, the topaz brooch is definitely helpful, especially when you get enough of them to stack and you get like half your health bars all shields. There's some things that come really cool with the shield, so it's good to have. I don't think you'll get the ability, but you might.
I'm just curious what this stuff is. What is this?
Let's see.
Huh. Interesting.
What's that? Chance to hit. Oh, chance on hit to attach bomb to enemies. All right. I'm glad I grabbed that one.
Are you ready to go to the terminal? Because we're about to get into hard mode.
Yeah.
Ow.
Ooh, okay. Got a lot of shields now. I don't know how I just got a bunch of shields. I don't remember where it's at.
It's over here. No, it's not. Yes, it is.
What's this one? That's the hoof. I think the hoof's
Yeah,
a good
I'm right
thing.
next to it.
Ooh, Paul's goat hoof. I move faster now.
But yeah,
Be
I'm
there in a
next to
second.
it.
I'm just killing some enemies. They decided to spawn at me. And I don't like to let them.
Follow you here?
Just got
Probably a
here.
good idea. Let's die! Ah.
I'm not dying. Not today.
Wandering vagrant. Oh, it's not one of these.
Yeah, look at that health bar go. Oh, yeah, look at that health bar go.
Ow.
Ooh, that actually hurt a lot.
Hurt a lot.
It's dead, though.
Almost. Ah, ah. My armor just protected my ass. Don't die, honey.
I'm trying. No, I'm good. Oh, hey, we can get a special thing. Reduce incoming damage while sprinting.
Interesting.
There's one over there for you.
I got it already.
Okay.
Okay.
What is that? Oh, it's locked. No. Oh, we gotta get the teleporter fully activated.
Yeah, it's a 66%.
That's right. Oh, you're almost dead. No, don't die.
Not me.
I will save you.
Oh, I didn't know I was almost dead. I'm just sitting here shooting. I don't have any healing buffs.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I got like half of them.
I have shields. I had the cool barrel one, but then I had to hit the 3D printer, and that's all I freaking got.
I mean, the recharging shield's kind of nice, though.
Yeah, but the gasoline would have been helpful.
I know. I like gaining the shield after gaining a small barrier after doing damage or after killing something.
Yeah, that is kind of nice. Helps protect you. Oh my.
Okay, I'm gonna get
turrets are
whatever
bigger.
this thing over here was. What is this? Oh, here, come get this. I don't know what a Lepton Daisy is, but it's a healing thing of some sort.
Oh, there's enemies attacking me. Where are you at? Over here.
Right up here on top.
Oh, I see you.
I don't know what this does.
Periodically release a healing nova during the teleporter event.
Well, there you go.
So that'll be helpful.
Right? I know it was a healing thing because it had the healing whatchamacallit on it. So I was like,
Yeah. Alright, we're getting in the middle of hard mode here, honey.
let's go. So much experience!
Ah! There was a jellyfish coming at us!
Nah, I'm not scared. Ooh, Scorched Acres.
We wanted to get our
I remember this one.
treasure chest.
At least we got all the drones and stuff.
Right. Oh, there's chests down there.
Yeah, this one's like, I think it's more vertical than horizontal, so. Nope, 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 nope. No killing me today, boys.
Anything
I'm getting
good
too powerful. No, there's nothing over there.
over there? Okay.
171. Jesus. All right. Ooh, Will of the Wisp. Chance to burn enemies. I know that's there. I know what that is. I just don't want to lose anything that I have right now. What is that? Ooh, Topaz Brooch. I'll take that.
But don't you already have that?
Yeah, it'll stack. It'll do more
Oh,
shields now.
nice.
Unless you wanted that, I should have given it to you.
No,
Oh.
I'm good.
Because I think a lot of them I don't know for sure if all of them stack, but I know a lot of them do. And when you let them stack, they do a lot more damage and stuff.
The 121 might be a healing drone.
Which one?
The one that's 121.
What's
A
this
healing
one?
Drone.
Ooh, a sword.
I thought you said it was a healing.
Tri-tip dagger. Enemies bleed on hit. Yeah. Which one is that one?
Oh, I thought you said there was one that was 100 and something.
Oh, I bought it. That was the other one, the Topaz Brooch.
Oh, got it. Oh,
God, I
that
hate those
one
things.
Teleports! Ah!
That does not look like I want to sit there and take that damage.
No, not probably not a good idea.
That's why I killed it really fast. I said no.
Alrighty. Oh, hello. There's one more. Okay, it's dead.
Alright, what is
Oh,
this?
there's a shrine over here, honey.
Nah, I don't care.
I see chests in the distance.
Ooh, deal bonus damage to nearby enemies?
What's this? Oh, I
Ooh,
got
you got
it.
a war banner.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. You drop war banners and they like do extra stuff. I think they like up your damage or something like that.
Yeah, I just prayed to the shrine and got that, so you're welcome.
Well, usually when I do shrines, it does not work out in my favor. I usually get the middle finger of nothingness.
Alright, I'm gonna go for those chests in the distance.
Okay. Yeah, I've just been grabbing chests. I had like 500, so I was like, alright.
I'm just gonna make sure I don't jump to my death.
I know I already have like a pretty good setup. I do bleed damage and all kinds of stuff already.
I don't have a lot, so... Oh, that's what that does. Okay, well that's good to know.
I can help you buy some stuff. I got 445. I'm not invincible by any
800.
means, but oh, not when I do that too.
Ooh, I drop a healing orb on kill now.
There you go.
Did I just find the teleporter? Oh, I found the teleporter.
Ah.
By the way.
Ooh. Scrap items. No, I'm good.
Did you hear me?
I know you could scrap items. Yeah. You said you found the teleporter. I heard you.
Okay. Oh, I got the fresh meat.
There you go.
Don't wanna die.
That'll be helpful. That's definitely a healing thing.
Ah, God, you dick. I also got,
Stay
and now
away
I
from
move
me.
faster. Hooray!
Stay away from me. You stay away from me. Nope. You stay away from me. Oh, I got a lot of those freaking ghosty doos. What's this?
Go away, go
Ooh.
away. I'm trying to
Rapidly
find
heal
you.
outside of danger. Ooh. Kind of cool. I guess I'm just finding all the healing stuff today.
Well, I found some healing stuff. I just,
I know, I'm just finding a lot of it. So as long as I'm outside of damage or outside of danger, I heal really fast.
that's good.
So it's like
By
Ooh, what's
you.
this?
What is this?
285.
Ooh,
What
I
the
got
heck?
another healing orb drop, so that's good.
I don't know. Let's try
Oh, I
this.
just got 3 of those. Holy shit.
Get disposable missile launcher. What?
Well, my healing orbs, if it stacks like you says it does, should do some awesome stuff. What's this one? I'm finding
think-
a ton of
I
chests.
think they
all
stack.
over. Oh, I got my gasoline back! Yay!
What does that replace?
Have a jade elephant.
Oh. Oh. Hey, honey.
Yes.
I now have a missile launcher for my ultimate.
Oh my god.
So now for my ultimate, I just literally just shoot out a salvo of rockets just everywhere.
I deal more damage to healthy enemies now. Oh, there's another chest down there. I want The heck? Did you activate the thing?
No.
Okay. I dropped my banner somehow.
It's when you kill something, you have a chance to drop it.
Okay. I was like, okay. Oh, I got some more gasoline. Cool.
There you go. Well, I'm gonna try and figure out a way to get to you. I don't know if I can. The way I'm going. I'm coming!
I caught massive rock dudes that are assholes trying to kill me. Ah! Oh no! Oh no! Fuck!
Huh. You fall?
Yeah,
Oh, well, that's fine.
I'm dead.
Oh, crap. Alright, well, this isn't looking good.
Sorry, he pushed me off the edge.
Well then.
Well, it's about to get insane, so I would start that.
Well, I'm gonna see if I can't get any... Was there any more things over there?
No,
Hello.
I got all the chests over there.
Well, poop. Alright.
Well, at least you got massive healing.
I mean... Not really, but okay. Oh, no! Ooh, ooh.
She didn't die.
I thought I was gonna die. I thought I was gonna fall off the edge.
I thought you were gonna die.
No, 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 no. Teleporter. Whoop. Nope, you're not hitting me with that. I don't think so.
Fire everywhere. Are you on fire? No.
He's currently just destroying all of our freaking turrets. It's fine.
Oh, okay. No big deal.
Oh, that looks painful. That is painful. Ow. Ow. Oh, God. Oh, what is happening? Oh, Jesus. No, 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 no. I'm not gonna die! Salvo!
Oh, you almost got it, too. Gosh dang it. Oh, you're healing. Oh, you're healing.
Yeah, I'm killing stuff. So that was what my focus was.
Come on, honey. You got this. You got it. You got it.
I mean... Maybe? Oh, not with those guys. Not with those guys. Not with those guys. Oh, I'm dead. Nope, maybe. Maybe. Aha!
Healing
There we go.
Druid's trying to help you, honey. You got 10 seconds and you'll have your ult again.
Yay! Oh, look at all that shield! All
Killed
those
him.
shields!
You killed him.
I know. And then clean up the enemies. Oh, I get. Do you come back to life now, or do I need to go through the teleporter?
I think I come back once you go through the teleporter.
Okay, then I guess I'll grab this. Now I get people that are detonating on kill. Yeah, let's just get out of here.
Now you're
I'm gonna be powerful!
gonna have way more experience than I am.
Well, now that I'm level 15.
Stupid! They pushed me off the freaking edge.
Yeah, that's the one thing that I like about the mercenary is that he has a double jump and two sprint abilities right off the gate. 500.
The elephant on my leg. That's gotta be
Ooh.
some good stuff.
Is this a blood offering? The Shrine of Combat. So this one we can do a fight that's really hard, but we'll get something from
Yeah, we
it.
need a lot of money right now.
Okay, where are the enemies? There they are.
I was like, can we fight so we can start earning money? That would be great.
Oh, this thing is huge.
Hmm.
What? Over here, this thing is huge.
I'm fighting off with a fire lizard.
Okay, I'll fight this thing. I don't even think you want to fight this anyways. You're probably back to level 1, aren't you?
No, I'm level 15.
Oh, okay.
So I didn't get too much of a penalty for...
Did you lose all your items though?
Nope, I have all my items.
Okay.
Okay, rolling dudes. Hi. Okay, well I guess I'm not attacking you. Whatever.
Ooh! Ooh! Ow! Lots of ows! Oh god! Oh Jesus! I'm dead.
Well, that's great.
Well, I figured I'd get some help eventually, but... Oh, it's killing our thing. Apparently I started a fight with something I didn't know was going to be like a boss.
Ah, stupid
Well,
mushroom.
honey, carry us through the level.
Okay, I'll try.
Don't forget your R.
I got it. Can you not backseat game me, please? Okay, I'm dead. Why you gotta start fight with things that are really hard?
Because that's the name of the game.
Alright, we can be done. I want to eat. Well, we can be done
Okay.
recording, but do you all play another round?
No.
Okay.
I think we need to have another friend here. That'd be more chaotic and more fun.
Yeah, that's true.